Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you how to optimize USB pen drive speed. By optimizing the performance of USB pen drive there might be a chance of transfer speed will be faster. To do this search for Device Manager. Now expand Disk Drives and find your USB device. Right-click on your USB device and choose Properties. Here, go to the Policies tab and check Better Performance option. Then click OK to confirm that you want to optimize and improve your USB transfer speed. Just remember, don't pull out the USB pen drive before ejecting it, wait until your computer says it's safe to remove the hardware. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any queries, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. Don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more useful tips and tutorials.